we will come to the sex hormone. That is the androgen, male sex hormone produced in testis. See, the exact picture of testis would be helpful to understand the information given in this paragraph, which is there in your 12th book. So, testis is just present in scrotal sac outside the abdomen for the maintenance of the required temperature, etc. So, the testis is going to have lobules, some 250 lobules. Each lobule is going to have some coiled duct called a seminiferous tubule. For example, if this is going to be the seminiferous tubule, associated with this is going to be the cells called as Leydig cell. The inside the, see, this is the seminiferous tubule. I am taking the cross section of it, right? Associated with that will be the seminiferous tubule will have sperm at different stages of development, right? Different stages of development. Okay. For the development of sperm, there is the spermatogenesis. Androgen, that is testosterone is required, and that testosterone is produced by a cell which is here, which is called as Leydig cell. Leydig. There is a cell associated with seminiferous tubule. Here given Leydig cell or the interstitial cell, which are present in the intertubular spaces, produce a group of hormone called as androgen. Okay, in that the major androgen is going to be the testosterone. Clear arka? Testosterone, and testosterone is going to make the spermatogenesis process to happen, without which that's the reason why we give the importance of testosterone with respect to the male fertility, right? So if testosterone is produced, what does it do? It regulates the development and maturation functions of the male accessory sex organ like epididymis, whatever the male sex organ is there, that proper development and maintenance is done by the testosterone. That is what is called as a primary sexual character, right? Then secondary sexual character, okay, muscular growth, whatever the male secondary sexual character, mustache formation, baldness, whatever, okay, secondary sexual character is also under the influence of which one? Testosterone. So primary, secondary. Primary is the maintenance of the proper reproductive tract and its structures. Secondary is the secondary sexual character. Okay, low pitch voice, everything will come. Aggressiveness, low pitch voice, everything. And androgen play a major stimulatory role in the process of spermatogenesis, that is formation of spermatozoa, right? So, that's clear. Okay, they also influence the male sexual behavior, that is libido. Libido is a sexual desire, right? Okay. And this is important. This is something out of this context. There is these hormone produce an anabolic effect on protein. It makes the person to build muscle mass. That's the reason why the people who are bodybuilding, they take protein, and some androgen sports person gets them to get some extra vigor or something, they try to use it, right? Okay, is it clear, Arka? Very simple. And this information, though I have explained, you can relate this with your human reproductive system, male reproductive system in the 12th CBSE biology. And same thing is ovary. Okay, female is going to have a pair of ovary. Ovary is a primary female sex organ which produces one ovum during menstrual cycle. So menstrual cycle, everything will be detailedly explained in 12th biology. Okay, so in addition, ovary also produces two steroid hormone, that is the estrogen and progesterone. Male have got only one hormone, whereas the female have got two hormone. So both have got its own role. Okay, estrogen is usually produced by the developing ovarian follicle. I am not getting into those details. That will be, we will have it a separate discussion when we talk about the human reproductive system. Just for a summary, right? Ovary, okay, ovarian follicle. After ovulation, so we have an ovarian follicle. We have an ovarian follicle which keeps growing from the day 3 of menstrual cycle till the 14th day. 14th day, under the influence of luteinizing hormone, the ovarian follicle ruptures, ovum is released, and ovum comes to the, after release, it is what is called as ovulation. It comes to fallopian tubule. In fallopian tubule, if there is a sperm, fertilization will happen, otherwise the ovum will disintegrate. But after the release, the remaining follicle, remnant follicle, is what is called as a corpus luteum. After the ovulation, the ruptured follicle is converted to a corpus luteum which produces progesterone, right? So estrogen has got wide range of the primary and secondary sex character. Again, what is primary sexual character? Proper maintenance of reproductive tract, everything. Secondary sexual character, like high pitch voice, development of what is that, mammary gland, all these things are going to be the secondary sexual character, right? Okay, high pitch voice, mammary gland development, etc., etc. And apart from this, I can also say two more properties of estrogen. It helps their bone from getting dissolved. I can say anti-osteoporotic. That's the reason ladies who have got their menopause, when their estrogen level comes down, their bone become fragile, because till then their estrogen was giving a support for their bone. And they get that fragility, they get that pain and everything. Okay, estrogen also regulate female, and it also has got some heart protective, cardioprotective activity. You can call it anti-atherogenic. So that's the reason why we don't see much of MI. What is MI? Myocardial infarction in female compared to male. See, exceptions are always there, but in general, right? And progesterone, they support pregnancy. Like oxytocin is going to support the childbirth. Progesterone is going to what is that here? Progesterone also acts as a mammary gland and stimulates the formation of alveoli. Is something structure inside the mammary gland. You should not confuse with the respiratory alveoli. Milk synthesis la varum, again 12th biology, structure of mammary gland la varum. And this also supports pregnancy in many ways, maintaining the endometrial thickening, etc., etc. Okay, the successful pregnancy lies with the progesterone. So these are all the character. You have to be thorough with each and every important thing.